Stephanie Zybel on the pull, coming around turn 4. And it's green flag racing. The number 41 makes a move. Brandon France around the outside. Down the front stretch we go. Brandon France in the lead, followed by Cameron Blair. And there is Suggen in third place. Getting a little rowdy as the number 74, John Sproul, makes a move to the lead. Matthew Foose is making a move. Check out Matthew Foose trying to come around. Side by side with a number 61. Matthew Foose trying to make the pass. And we got contact coming out of turn number 2. We got the number 40 sideways. That is Cameron Blair. And down the front stretch, you got to yell out the number of your favorite car as they hit the line. Remember, choose your favorite. Here we go. Check out the number 24 of Matthew Foose, making his way back into the number 2 spot. John Sproul leaves the opening, and he drops down to third place. Your new race leader, we got Vic the Bird. Now the action from Ray Molina. And we got one around. Turn number 4, Carnage. Down in turn number 4, we had a car go around. Here we go, 3 laps left to go. We're green flag racing. Check out the move there. We got contact. Sproul. Down the front stretch, your race leader here tonight, the number 24 of Matthew Foose. It's time for green flag racing. Coming around after lap number 1. Your current leader, that is the number 7 of Roy Smith. Roy Smith in the number 7 holds on to the lead. Wilkins in the number 99 right on his tail. Phil Wilkins making a move on the inside. Number 32 getting a little sideways out of turn. Phil Wilkins in the number 99 trying to make a pass. Trying to make his way to the front. Right on his tail. Roy Smith trying to hold off Phil Wilkins. Check out the number 99. Phil Wilkins. Phil Wilkins making the pass for the lead. 99 of Phil Wilkins trying to open it up. 15 laps to go, halfway through. Look at number 7, Roy Smith. He's looking to make a move. Number 99's getting loose. Number 7's trying to catch up. And it's green flag racing. Here we go, your final 7 laps in your Superstock main event. Check out the move from the number 99. Phil Wilkins holding him off. Tim Walters trying to make a move into second place. Number 32X, Tim Walters making a move into second place, but Phil Wilkins still has your race lead. As the number 99, Phil Wilkins comes around, the white flag is out. One more to go. One more lap. Phil Wilkins holds the lead. Problems for number 7. And your race winner, Phil Wilkins, taking the win.